Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to try out a question on measurement. Question 8 reads, a metal marble has a diameter of 16 millimeters. 8.1, calculate the volume of metal used to make this marble. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So they've kindly given us the formula for volume. So we'll use that formula. So question 8.1 says volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r to the power of 3. Now, remember, they've given us the diameter, right? So if you want the radius, which we do, you need to halve it. So if the diameter is 16, the radius is going to equal 8 millimeters. Right, so now we just substitute. So 4 over 3 times pi times 8 to the power 3. And that would give us a volume of 2144,66. And the units are going to be millimeters cubed. Okay, question 8.2. If the radius of the marble is doubled, write down the ratio of the new volume to the original volume. So since we're talking about volume, right, let's figure out the scale factor. So they are doubling it. So our scale factor is going to be 2. Now, since it's volume, the new volume is going to be 2 to the power of 3 times bigger. So it's going to be 8 times bigger. So how do you write it as a ratio? It's going to be 8 to 1. Okay, and that's it for the measurement section in this paper. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please leave a like, share, subscribe. If there's any specific question you'd like to ask or specific paper you'd like me to do, please let me know down in the comment section below. Until the next one, bye-bye.